Hello everyone, this is Giza. I'm from Warriors Agency. My Himi username is Lang. My user ID is 759516. My dream is simple, to have a comfortable life with my family. My favorite drinks is pineapple juice and coffee. My favorite food is everything. I mean everything. I don't like makeups. My hobbies are drawing and reading pocket books. I can live without a phone. Just give me books. Anything. Anything books. Novels. Whatever. I can live with that. My favorite things is watching horror movies and K-dramas. I love listening music and Papa Dodot. I am currently in Saudi Arabia now. My message to my team is keep going and keep supporting each other. At may iiwan akong kasabihan. Ako nga pala silang nag-iiwan ng kasabihan. Pag mahal mo, ipaglaban mo. Pero kung ayaw na, hindi bumitaw ka, huwag kang tanga. And